Adaku! Adaku! Where is this? How'd you go? How'd you go?
Yes, my princess.
Where is Adaku?
My princess, I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? You're lying to me, aren't you?
No, my princess.
You mean to tell me that you do not know her whereabouts?
Yes, my princess. I even thought you sent her on an errand.
Where could she have gone to without telling me? Okay, it's alright. If she returns, tell her to come see me immediately.
Yes, my princess.
Adaku, why did you leave this palace since morning without telling anyone where you're going? By the way, where did you go?
I went to my kingdom. My princess, I am very sorry I couldn't tell anyone, please.
You went to Oma Kingdom to look for a man, obviously. Because that is the only thing that will make you sneak out of this palace without telling anyone.
No, my princess. I didn't go there to see a man. I went there to ask after a man.
Keep talking.
I went to my kingdom to inquire about the man you seek for my princess.
Shh. Bring your voice down. What are you talking about, Adaku?
My princess, I have watched you closely for some time now. And I realized that you are truly in love with that man at Oma Festival. So, I took it upon myself to find him for you.
Okay, very good. So, any good news?
Yes, my princess. That maiden that stood by me at the festival, she's my cousin from Oma Kingdom. So, I went to her. Though she knew nothing about him, but she directed me to someone who knows him well.
Go on. And?
His name is Obina, the great hunter from Ungu Kingdom. They said he is well known in Ungu Kingdom. I went, I found him and his compound.
Oh, Adaku, thank you so much. You don't know how this thing means to me. Thank you. May the gods bless you.
I guess I do. And that is the reason I decided to help out.
I don't know how to appreciate this you have done for me. It means a whole lot to me.
You don't have to, my princess. You know you are a very good woman. And I am privileged and honored to be of help to you.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You may go.
Thank you.
Have you done all the things I asked you to do? And you? Fine. I really want to. Mother. Greetings, mother.
Greetings, my beautiful princess. Adaku.
Yes, my queen.
Where were you all through yesterday?
Mother, I sent her on an errand. Yes.
Alam,
Mother.
were you not the person that told me you did not know her whereabouts?
Yes, I did, mother, but I was wrong actually. It was when she returned that I remembered. I'm so sorry.
Are you sure about that?
Yes, mother.
It's all right. Come. Your father Dikeh requests your presence at once. Come with me.
Oh, right, mother. I'll be right back.
My daughter.
Mother.
Your new hairstyle is good. The maid just did this now?
Yes, mother. Adaku made it.
Oh, this is good.
Yes.
You look gorgeous.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Thank you, ma.
Bye. Obin. Where could he have gone out this early morning? Obina, are you still sleeping? Obin, please come out. I got you some fruit. I guess he has gone out. Maybe I should just go and come back later.
What in the name of the gods have I done to this lady? Huh? I can't go out without her following me about. I can't even stay in my own hut without her bothering me. Why won't she leave me for once? Is it by force to love someone? I must find a way to do this.
Ijeawana will not kill me with his words. It doesn't mince words when he talks. It doesn't care whose ox is God.
You see, that's the more reason I like him. Moreover, I really like what he said to Prince Amifuna before the entire youth. I think he should heed to his advice and choose a bride.
Aha! Talking about choosing a bride. I saw Princess Oloma not too long ago. I think she's heading to the palace. I think the prince must have gotten a bride.
Are you sure she did not come for a different purpose?
No, I don't think so. I saw that coming. Didn't you notice that during the Omoma's festival?
Oh. Well, it's a good choice for him. And it's a good choice for her. I wish them well.
Me too.
Ichita.
Yeah.
I will see you later in the evening.
Okay.
I need to rush down and get my trap.
It's alright. I'll be waiting.
Greetings, Obina. Okay,
Greetings. Are you not Olamma, the princess of the great women of the kingdom?
You sure have a good memory. I am. How are you?
I'm fine. But how come you know my name? Have we met before?
Yes, I saw you at Amuma Itobo Festival. And ever since then, I have never been myself. I'm usually not like this, but I just have to let it out. I think you have stolen my heart.
But, princess, you barely know me.
I know you enough to tell you how I feel.
And you think whatever it is you think you know about me is enough for you to profess your love for me?
It is.
Princess, I don't want to be rude, but I beg to take my leave now. I have something important to attend to.
Obina. Please, let's go home. We've been here for long. He doesn't like me. He doesn't like anything about me. His reaction says it all.
My princess, you may be wrong. From what I heard about him, they said he's a man of integrity and simple nature. He's never carried away by beauty or status.
What are you saying? Are you trying to tell me that I have lost everything because of my beauty and status?
No, my princess.
Then what?
You possess some qualities as a good woman, which falls into his bracket. And I'm sure he will like you someday. Trust me.
Are you sure about this?
I am very sure.
Thank you.
You're too beautiful for this. Okay?
Thank you, Adaku.
Ikenna, will you stop behaving like a child?
What exactly are you driving at, Mother?
My point is that you should consider taking a wife.
You cannot be serious.
How do you mean? Do you think you're not due for marriage?
I think so, and I'm not ready for that now.
Stop being impossible. You're the prince of this kingdom, the next in line for the throne.
Is anybody disputing that?
No, for now. But there will be if you don't take a wife. And stop chasing after all the maidens in this kingdom.
Mother, marriage is the last thing I want to discuss now.
There you go again. Ikenna, you are my son, and I cannot deceive you. People are now talking about how you go about molesting maidens in this kingdom. I want you to shut them all up by taking a wife.
Since when did you become this jittery, Mother? And since when did what people say begin to bother you make any sense?
Son, this is different. This is all about the throne. And I don't want you, my son, to lose it.
Nobody can take the throne away from me. Nobody. Not the king, not Ezedibia, and not even the gods.
Ikenna, I know all that. But please, think about what I just told you.
Mother, I am not ready to take a wife. Not now.
I don't know what's keeping.
What makes an angel cry? What makes an angel cry? Is it the love she bottled inside? Is it the feeling she's dying to share? As a princess she can have.
Welcome.
What do you want?
You look a bit tired. You need to rest. Okay?
That does not answer my question, does it?
No, it doesn't, but...
Why are you here?
I'm here to see you.
Okay, fine. I am here. So?
I know this might sound a bit awkward, but the truth is, I love you.
Why then are you saying it since you know how awkward it sounds?
That's because I can't help myself but to think about you. I love you so much.
But I'm only a commoner. How would your king, the great king of Umelulu, react when he learns that his daughter, the princess, is seeing a May hunter from another kingdom?
My father is never the problem. He understands. I mean, he always do.
I'm sorry, princess. But I don't want to get into trouble with anyone. Let alone the great king of Umelulu kingdom. You really have to forget about me.
You don't have to be scared. I wish I could. I wish I could help myself. Then I wouldn't be here. Please. I can't forget about you, Obina. I love you. She can testify to that. Please.
Then suit yourself.
Obina! Obina! Adaku! Just I don't want to go. My princess.
What makes a nigga shine? What makes the heaven smile?
I don't want to go.
What makes the diamond shine? Love, only true love. Where destiny leads, human must follow. But love is the vehicle that carries us through.
What is the princess of the great Umululu kingdom doing here? And why is she looking so sad? But this is not the path to the palace. Where could she be coming from? Well, I just pray she doesn't cause war between us and Umululu kingdom with her frequent visits here. What troubles my good friend? Why are you looking like that?
Nothing.
Nothing? By the way, I saw Princess Oloma of Umululu Kingdom coming from the pathway leading to your heart. I was wondering where could she be coming from?
She was coming from here. From this very heart.
You are not serious, are you?
I'm telling you the truth.
What was she looking for? What happened?
The princess has been stalking me for some time now. I mean Princess Olama.
That's not possible. How come?
I don't know. Well, she said she saw me at the Omuma Itobo festival and fell in love with me there and then.
Then what was your response?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Yes. I told her I am not interested.
Obina, what is wrong with you? How can you reject the advances of the princess of Umululu Kingdom?
So I should hug her simply because she's the princess?
Obina, this is a rare opportunity and I think you should grab it with both hands. You've rejected the advances of the beautiful ladies from this kingdom and now you're rejecting the advances of the princess of Umululu Kingdom. I wonder what you want.
I just want to be alone.
What is wrong with Obina? He proudly rejects the advances of the princess of Umululu Kingdom. I wonder what he wants. I wonder.
All my life, I have never been this happy and sad at the same time. I thought I had found love. I thought he would be mine. But it's unfortunate. It's so unfortunate that the feeling is not mutual. But why? Why is he not returning my love back? Why?
I'm sorry, my princess, but I must advise you, forget about him. He's just a commoner.
And he's not fit for you.
My princess, I beg to disagree with Ojugo. Yes, he may have been causing you pain because of his refusal. But good things are not easy to come by. As our people would say, I will advise you stick to your heart. Trust me, I am sure all this will end in laughter.
But for how long? For how long, Adaku? For how long will I continue to weep like this for a man? For how long will all this end? All my life, I have never had such feeling for a man before. And it's really weighing me down, honestly.
I totally understand you, my beautiful princess. But you really have to be patient. I am sure you will laugh at the end.
Why are you so confident about all this? Why?
My princess, I am so confident about it. And that is because I've heard a lot about him. Almost every man will embrace this rare opportunity because of your beauty and status. But he didn't see your proposal as an opportunity to become rich or royal. And that is the evidence of the kind of man he really is. Think about that, my beautiful princess, and relax your mind, okay?
Your words has fed me. Your words has given me life. Your words has calmed my spirit down. And I sincerely appreciate. May the gods bless you.
My beautiful princess, I am always at your service, okay? Just stop. You are too beautiful for this.
It's fine.
Can I see a smile on that face? Okay. We must go and prepare dinner now.
All right.
My princess, stop crying, okay?
What would you like?
You know my favorite.
Stop. It's okay. Ojigo, let's go. We'll be back.
Is Obina sleeping by this time of the day? Obina. Wake up, Obina.
Princess, hold me tight. Princess, hold me tight.
Princess? Princess. Come on, wake up, Obina.
Ichita. Is that you?
No, it's not me. It's the princess.
Hi.
Which princess were you asking to hold you tight?
Huh?
Oh, I get it. You are dreaming about Princess Oloma, right?
What are you talking about?
Don't even try to deny it. You dreamily call me princess. And I know it's the reflection of your imagination. I know you love Princess Oloma very much. Don't even try to deny it.
You're right, Ichita. I was actually dreaming about her. And it looks as if I've already fallen in love with her.
Thanks to the gods, at last, my stubborn and hard-to-get friend has fallen in love. Not just with any maiden, but with the princess of the great Umwelulu kingdom. Let the gods be praised.
Chita, this is not the best of time for your silly jokes. Look, believe me, I really tried to get these feelings off my head, but I think there's a strong connection between the princess and I. I could feel it.
Thanks to the gods for not allowing your childish and foolish behavior take the better of you on this one. You have indeed found favor in the sight of the gods, and I'm very happy for you, my good friend.
Don't be too carried away on this, my friend.
Of course, Your Highness.
Please, what can I offer you?
Greetings, Ichita.
Greetings. How are you?
I'm fine. Looks like you're coming from Obina's house.
Yes.
So is he around?
No, I didn't meet him at home.
Ah, where could he have gone then?
Well, I wouldn't know.
Okay. In that case, let me go and wait for him.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, I'm sure. Let me wait for him.
Okay then, let me be going.
Alright, bye-bye.
Alright.
My husband, I don't know what is keeping her. But I know she will soon be here. Here she comes.
Greetings, my father and the great king of this kingdom.
May you live long.
It shall be well with you, my princess.
You see?
Please sit.
Thank you.
Olama, what kept you waiting? It's been long I came to your hut to call you.
I'm sorry, mother. I decided to have my bath so as to look presentable before my father, the great king of this great kingdom. Father, do you have any problem with that?
Oh, not at all, my princess. But, my princess, I want you to know that your father adores your beauty anytime regardless.
Thank you very much, father.
You're welcome. Princess Olama, we have the good news for you.
Good news?
Yes. Prince Udenze of Amucha Kingdom was here to ask for your hand in marriage. Yes, he even promised that he will come back to the palace to do all that is required to have you as his wife before his coronation that is coming up next month. Isn't that a good news?
I'm sorry, father. I am not interested.
What?
What is wrong with you, Olama?
Nothing is wrong with me, father. I'm not just interested.
Will you shut up? Why do you keep rejecting your suitors? The revered Prince Udenze of Amucha Kingdom is not good for you too. What has come over you, Olam?
Nothing is wrong with me, mother. I have the right to choose my life partner, the person I'm going to spend the rest of my life with.
No, my dear. We are your parents, and it's our duty to choose a suitable partner for you. That means you must marry Prince Udenze of Amucha Kingdom, whether you like it or not.
Mother, I will not marry him. We're talking about my life here. Please, can you stop already? Stop!
Olama, come back here!
But we
Come
want
back
the
here!
best for you.
Come back here, Olama.
It's okay. Let her be. I know that she'll come to terms with it sooner or later. Please sit down. Sit, please.
She better do it because I will not spare her this time.
What in the God's name am I going through? I have ruled this kingdom by the dictates of the gods, but they have always been silent to my problems from day one. First, it was my childlessness for many years of marriage, and now this migraine headache and no answers from the gods yet. Why has Ilulu remained silent to the king of Umuelulu? Is it when I die that the answers will come? Have I wronged Ilulu that she is punishing me? But she should speak up so that I can appease her. Please, Ilulu, I don't want my reign to end in shame. Please show me my wrongs so that I can right them.
Father, you sent for me.
Yes, I did. Please sit down. My heart is troubled. I feel lonely and abandoned.
What? Why would you say such a thing, Father? Have we not always been there for you?
It's not what you think, my daughter. I feel abandoned by Lulu. I feel rejected by her.
No, Father. Do not speak ill of the gods, for they are all knowing. You taught me that, remember?
I know I did. But this is beyond me. The silence of the gods is killing me slowly day by day. Your brother's misbehavior is giving me a cause for concern. And then, this periodic migraine headache of mine needs urgent attention. But the gods are not doing anything about it. My princess, I beg you in the name of the gods, do not add to my worries, please, I beg you.
How, Father? How?
Stop rejecting your suitors. It is time for you to get married. And Prince Udenze of Amucha Kingdom is a perfect match for you.
Father, I understand you perfectly well, but I can't marry him.
So why can't you marry him?
Because I don't love him.
Oh, my princess,
No, Father, please. Can we stop this? I mean, we can talk about something else, but certainly not this. Please. What you need now is to rest. You're not feeling too strong, remember? I'll get you water to drink.
Your Highness, the gods specifically demanded you be here in person for the sacrifice, and they have also accepted the sacrifice. Your Highness, you are not talking.
Thank you, Ezedibia. Thank you.
You may now go. Let us wait patiently for their answers.
Thank you, Ezedibia. I have to take my leave now.
The gods may be silent. They may have spoken through their actions and deeds.
Who is this commoner I heard you were saying? Don't tell me you prefer a commoner from Ungu Kingdom to the Prince of Amucha Kingdom. Don't tell me that.
But I
love him, Father.
What stupid love are you talking about?
Father, how do you expect me to give my consent to a man I never met?
Then wait until you see him first. Wait!
Father...
Shut up, Olamma. I said shut up, Olamma. You rejected a prince for a commoner. Why are you bent on disgracing this royal house? Why?
How could you condescend so low, Olamma? You should really be ashamed of yourself, you know.
Who is talking? I will appreciate if you don't interfere in my matter. Do you understand?
Quiet, Olamma. You will not leave this palace again until you come back to your senses.
Father!
I have spoken.
And that starts immediately.
Set you right. An insolence.
My princess, you have to take it easy with yourself, please.
My princess, it's alright. You're being too hard on yourself.
Let me be. Let me be! I don't want to talk to anyone. Just get out. Leave!
What is keeping the princess? She should be here by now. This is totally unlike her.
What makes a nigga shine? What makes the heavens?
Obina, you don't want to tell me what's the problem. Obina, tell me what is the problem?
Princess Olamma did not show up today.
Why? What happened?
I don't know. But it's totally unlike her.
Didn't she send words to you?
No. And that is what worries me.
Or could it be that she doesn't want to see you again?
Far from that. I know something is definitely wrong somewhere, but I will try and find out.
Her father might frown at your relationship with the princess. So you have to be very, very careful.
I will. Don't worry, Cheetah. Let's go and check our trap.
Okay. Don't worry. I still have hope she'll check on you.
Igwe. Ndichie, I greet you all.
You're welcome. I will greet you too.
I don't know why we should discuss this issue at all. The people of Mbanku ignored our call when we invited them for our Iwaji. So I don't know why we should give a thought to their invitation at all.
Ichihama, yes, you are right. You are very correct. I'm not disputing that. But remember, they called and gave us reason for not coming. They sincerely apologized. Are you getting it? So my humble opinion is that we give thought to this and honor their invitation.
Shut up your mouth if you don't have anything good to say. Must you always talk like a child? Each time we're having a council of elders meeting, the people of Momaku apologized because they needed our help. Okay, let me ask you. Why will it take them 3 months before they apologize, if not for his selfish reason. And you are here ranting.
May Lulu strike this your small head into pieces. Is it me you are calling a child? Huh?
Yes, you are a child. And I am beginning to wonder how you became an Iche in this community.
What?
Did you know how you became an Iche?
What? Are you referring to me like that?
Yes.
How is my husband? Dikeh.
How is my father faring? I hope he's better, right?
Calm down. Take it easy, princess. Wise one, speak to us. How is the king?
The good news is that the king is awake, but very weak.
And the bad news?
We might lose him in a couple of days.
Oh.
If something urgent is not done.
No, we can't lose him. Wise one, talk to us. What must we do so that we don't lose him? We don't want to lose him.
Elulu ask, you go to Acharugo, the seer of Owanta. She has answers. That you must do before the next market day. The gods have spoken.
My daughter, come. Igwe.
Acharugo one, the most beautiful, yet the most blessed amongst all women. We humble ourselves before you.
Elders of Lulu, you are welcome to my abode.
Thank you so much, Acharugo one. Yes, we have come to seek for...
You don't talk to Acharugo in her own abode. Whenever you find yourself here, all you do is sit and listen. I don't cure sick people, but I know the roots of their problem. Your Igwe. Your Igwe is a great king, but his reign might soon come to an end.
No. May the gods forbid.
Elulu will never allow that to happen.
No.
A man, no matter how great he is, cannot run away from his destiny. Go to your kingdom. I will be there tomorrow. Ask no further question. Go!
It's all right. We thank you so much, Acharugo Wine. We are expecting you. Chiegoma, let us go.
The gods may be silent. Oh yeah. They may have spoken. Through their actions and deeds, the dots will connect. To explain the mystery.
Isioma, the news of Igwe's latest development of health has caused great fear in this kingdom.
What do you expect, my sister? Igwe Heliova is a good king, and the kingdom cannot afford to lose him.
But why is the god silent? Why are they not saying anything?
I have this feeling that the king is hiding something from all of us. Yes. Maybe the gods are punishing him for his past.
Isioma, just a moment ago you were praising him as the best king. And now the gods are punishing him from his past. Osuma, why is this unstable?
See, I'm not being unstable. The fact that the king is a good king does not stop him from having a bad past.
We have come to the end of this conversation before you get me into trouble.
Oh! Let's do this thing.
Igwe Iye. You know the roots of your problem.
Wise one, how do you mean? We don't understand.
Igwe Iye. Remember what happened before your first Lolo left the palace. Think! Igwe, think! Think!
Ezedibia, once again I greet you.
You are welcome, Your Majesty. But you would have sent for me instead of you coming here.
Ezedibia, when a woman is running for her dear life, she forgets to hold a dangling breast. Because the activity of the breast is not important at the moment. Ezedibia, the urgency of the matter at hand does not require any particular order. Tell me, what are the gods saying about my childlessness? What exactly is my fate?
Eke, Uri, Afro, Unko, Ihegimia, Zano, Unanuihuku. Your Majesty, the gods have not revealed anything. They are still silent.
Still silent? For how long are they going to be silent? How long do they want me to be in this condition before they speak?
Your Majesty, very soon. Very soon. I am sure they will speak in due time. Go.
And even if I manage to hold on, what about my wife, the queen? She is crying virtually every day without eating anything, drinking anything.
I know.
It is not easy with her. It is not at all.
Your Majesty, that is expected of her. But what I want to tell you is to calm her down. Calm her down. Your Majesty, the gods have not revealed anything. They are still silent.
For how long am I going to be in this condition? Why won't the gods speak to me? I can't continue to see my wife cry her eyeballs out every day. But what will I do? It seems the gods have abandoned me. But I have to do something. I can't fold my arms and watch my family's name go into extinction. No. Gods of our land, please hear my cry. I went to Ezedibia yesterday. But the story is still the same. That the gods are yet to speak. And so I have decided to do something before my father's lineage is closed. My queen.
My lord.
I have decided to take a second wife. I am sorry that I have to do this. This seems to be the last resort for me. It's hard for me, but I can't sit and watch my family's name go off just like that. My queen, please don't cry. You are breaking me as you cry. You know how I hate to see your tears. I beg you in the name of the gods, just give me your consent. And I promise you everything will be well. Please.
If that will salvage the situation, then I give you my consent.
Oh. Thank you so very much. Thank you, my queen. May the gods bless you. Please come with me. I have a surprise for you. Come with me. Honestly, I never knew you have this sense of humor.
Now you know.
Oh, yes. And I wish that you continue to make me laugh and happy for the rest of our lives.
It will be my pleasure, my king and my husband.
Oh, really? We shall see about that. Meanwhile, you're welcome to my palace.
Thank you, my husband.
You're welcome. Oh. Yeah.
Greetings, my husband.
Lolo, you're welcome. Please sit.
Greetings to you, Queen Mother.
Arise, my co-wife. Once again, you're welcome to our home.
Thank you, Queen Mother.
A beautiful queen.
Yes, my lord.
Please take her in and make sure that she is comfortable.
Of course. That's what I'm supposed to do.
What is really happening to me? It's exactly 2 years since I married a second wife. Or she's yet to conceive. Why must Ilulu punish me like this? My father, my grandfather and the fathers before them never experienced childlessness. I wonder why mine is different. Should I seek for help from another deity, since Ilulu has suddenly gone cold and mute towards me? I know I am the custodian of our culture and tradition, but I must take action now than remain childless and watch my lineage closed. The spirit of my father and my forefathers will never forgive me if this happens. This situation must change, or I will take the bull by the horns.
The gods may be silent, they may have spoken. Through their actions and deeds, the dots will connect. The doors will be open to explain the mystery, so the mortals will learn from their history to protect their future. The gods so wise, the gods
Greetings, Queen Mother. Greetings. What's wrong with you?
Queen Mother, I don't know, but I guess it's fever.
Lolo,
Queen Mother.
when did this start?
Just this morning.
This morning.
The wisdom of the gods can never be understood by mere mortals.
You are pregnant.
Queen Mother, I don't think I am pregnant because I've not seen any sign of pregnancy.
You have, but you didn't notice it. Hey, thank the gods of our land. At last, a cry of a baby will be heard in this palace. Hey! Igwe must hear this. Come. Come, let's go.
But Queen Mother, don't
worry yourself.
The doors will be open to explain the mystery. So the mortals will learn from their history to protect their future.
Greetings, Your Highness.
Greetings to you, my husband.
I was in a deep thought when you women came. I want to be left alone so that I can concentrate.
Your Highness, you don't need to think further. The gods of our land have finally smiled on us. Lolo here is pregnant.
What?
Yes.
Are you sure of what you are saying?
Yes.
Lolo, are you really pregnant? Oh, thank you. Thank you so very much. Hey, gods of our land, I thank you. You have indeed answered my prayers at last. My queen, I thank you so very much.
Thank you, my lord.
Hey.
I am happy to witness this day.
Of course, you are honored. I think this calls for a celebration.
Really?
Yes. Come. I'm so happy.
Lolo! What is the matter with you? Why are you crying? What is the problem with why are you crying? Talk to me. What is it?
Igwe!
Yes?
It's Obina!
Obina?
Yes! She pushed me down because of food!
Oh, not again! So where is she now? Where is Obina now? Where could she be? Talk to me! Sorry.
She must be in front of the hut.
Come with me. Let's go.
I'm coming.
Obina! What is the meaning of this?
Nine.
I am talking to you. What is the meaning of this?
Is everything okay?
When did you become this wicked? How could you push a pregnant woman on the ground, knowing fully well what we have gone through to have our own child? How could you?
Nine. How can you say such a thing? How can you even believe such a thing? Can I even lay my finger on her? Not to talk of even doing any other thing?
Obina, don't force me to lose the love I have for you. This is not the first time you are doing this to her. I am warning you for the last time. If this would ever repeat itself, I will not spare you. With my lips, I will not spare you.
Greetings.
My husband.
Greetings. Please sit. Obina, my dear wife.
Yes, my lord.
If I don't tell you the truth, nobody will. I must be sincere with you that I am shocked and saddened by your recent attacks on Lolo. I don't know what she has done wrong to deserve the kind of treatment you are giving to her lately. Is it really a fault that she became pregnant before you? My queen, why are you allowing jealousy to get the better part of you? Why?
But I'm innocent of all these allegations. Igwe, you've lived with me for so many years and you know me better than any other person.
Exactly the point. That is the more reason I am shocked by this your new lifestyle. Obina, I must be sincere with you that you have practically changed. Listen, you are my wife and you know that I love you so much. But I want to put it to you today that I will never condone any further attacks on Lolo from you again. In the name of the gods, that woman is carrying my child. I want this to stop from this day. I am telling you all this because I love you and I wouldn't want anything to come between us because of this.
How could you believe this accusation so easily? How?
Is it not obvious? It is very clear. The evidence is there. But I want you to know that this will be the very last time I would ever have this conversation with you. I am done with you. You may leave.
Thank you, my lord. I do.
What's your problem? My stomach! What's the problem with you? What's the problem? What's the problem? What do you think you're doing? Come on, leave me alone! What is going on here? Leave me alone! Not again! Obina, how dare you? How dare you? Nonsense! I warned you the last time, didn't I? Just the beginning. Idiot! I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry. I am sorry. Why for me? Nonsense. Sorry. It's okay. Sorry. You've not seen anything yet. Sorry, very sorry.
Lolo, I cannot thank you enough. You have indeed proven to the whole world that I am a man. And I have a surprise for you. I want to give you a treat that you will never forget in a hurry. Let's go.
Thank you, my husband.
You're
and
welcome.
I will make you proud.
Oh, thank you. Please come and sit. At last. Please sit. All right. I am so excited. Like I was saying, I have a surprise for you. I want to treat you to a sumptuous meal that you would never forget in a hurry.
I can't wait.
Oh, yes.
Igwe, you hit me on the head with a stick without getting a help. Yet you said unless I apologize to Lolo. I have lived with you for so many years without any issue. You have chosen to believe whatever she said just because she's pregnant.
That is the more reason I should believe her. You are jealous of her.
Igwe, I've been in a severe pain for some weeks now. Yet you allowed me to suffer. My head aches as if Mbachara drums are beating on my head. Yet you allowed me to suffer to die. Igwe, I tell you from today, you will suffer a severe terminal headache. So shall it be.
You believe. But you are free to come back anytime you come to your senses.
My husband, are you sure you want her to go?
I did not ask her to leave. Anyway, don't worry about that. I know that she definitely would come back.
That's all right, if you think so.
I know so. Now let's talk about our child. I know that you are carrying a great man here. Yes. I still remember everything.
Obina! Obina was innocent! And your sickness was as a result of the curse she placed on you.
Wise one, please. How will the lame cross the troubled river? Tell us, how do we break this curse?
Only his blood. Only his blood can save him. He may survive it this time, but when it happens again, he will surely die. Huh? Except his blood touches him.
Wise one, you have been speaking to us in parables. Please, can you explain to us in simple language that all of us here will understand?
Yes.
Please. How can he be healed by his blood?
That is left for you all to find out.
Huh?
I take my leave.
But wise one, but...
That reminds me. How is your father the king?
He was asleep when I left the palace, but he's still very weak.
And what is this more of your kingdom doing about it?
I don't know. He said he will be fine. I wish there is something I could do to help my father. He's such a nice man, and I wouldn't want anything to happen to him.
Nothing will happen to him. Your father is a good man and a good king. I'm sure the gods of your land will spare his life.
I hope so. I really hope so. Because I can no longer bear to watch him suffer in pain.
It's okay, my princess. Nothing will happen to him.
You say?
And everything will be fine again, I promise you.
Thank you.
Cheer up for me. I have something for you.
God.
I love you. There we go.
Oh my goodness! Oh, I love you!
I love you more!
Lolo, you have killed me. You have succeeded in making me believe that Obina was trying to hurt you. Could you do this, Lolo? How could you?
Igwe, why are you blaming me for your own mistakes? Besides, I did not ask you to hit her.
But you made me do it. You even said she tried to kill you.
Did I tell you not to get her help to stop her headache? Why are you now blaming me, Igwe?
Now I know that you are a very bad woman. You have made me lose the love and respect I have for you. You have betrayed my confidence.
Igwe, I am only condoning all these things from you because of your condition. I did nothing wrong, and you should stop accusing me.
Just pray. Pray that I survive this, else I will curse the day that you were born.
Igwe, now I know that your condition has affected your sense of reasoning. I take my leave.
So this is the reason I have been suffering all these years. Why didn't I believe you, Obina? I am so sorry. I am so sorry, Obina. What can I do to appease your kind spirit? Please forgive me wherever you are. I am so sorry.
The way he was looking around, I think he's waiting for someone.
Which Obina are you talking about?
Ah, you don't know Obina again. Obina from Kingdom.
What? I am sure he's standing there waiting for Olama.
Olama? Are you serious?
This boy has stepped on a cobra still. Come with me.